Want to send and receive text messages from your Windows PC without picking up your phone? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Google Messages for web on a Windows computer. We'll cover the setup process, messaging features, notifications, and a few helpful tips to make texting from your desktop simple and efficient. Before you begin, make sure Google Messages is installed on your Android phone and set as your default messaging app. Also, check that both your phone and your Windows PC have a stable internet connection. On your Windows PC, open any web browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or another modern browser. Then visit Google Messages for web, where you'll see a QR code waiting to be scanned. Now open Google Messages on your phone, tap your profile picture, choose device pairing, then tap Scan QR code. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on your Windows PC to connect the two devices. Once the connection is complete, your conversations will appear automatically. Open an existing chat or click New Chat to start a conversation. You can send text messages, photos, emojis, GIFs, stickers, and supported files directly from your browser. To avoid missing new messages, allow browser notifications when prompted. So if you're using your personal Windows PC, you can also stay paired so you won't need to scan the QR code every time you open the website. If you're using a shared or public computer, remember to sign out when you're done. You can disconnect the browser from the device pairing section in the Google Messages app to keep your conversations secure. And that's how to use Google Messages for web on a Windows PC. After the initial setup, you can easily manage your conversations from your computer while your phone stays nearby. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more helpful technology tutorials, and thanks for watching.